Hey guys, welcome out here to the workshop. Today I've got the forge up and running, and we're getting some blacksmithing done, making these simple little little hooks. They're going to be for a possibly a rustic looking coat rack or something like that, and I just wanted to show you guys how the process that I go through when I'm building these little hooks. Alright, so first things first is I've got a 1/4 inch square stock to make it look good with the spiral, and got it all ready. I start with a clean flat end. I'm just gonna sling that in there, and what I'm going to be working on first is drawing out. I'm just going to be drawing out this end right here to get it for that point. Alright, I've got it ready to draw it out, and all I'm doing is hitting this end, rotating it 90 degrees back and forth. Alright, so now I've gotten this end drawn out, and whenever you're working with the metal, be careful where you touch it. This end is drawn out. The next thing I'll do is make this twist right here, and then after I get done with the twist, I leave this all one straight stock, and I'll get the end cut off, and then I'll bend this. After the twist, I'll bend this and then bend that, and I've even, if you can tell, I even got this pointed down a little bit. That way when it sinks into like the wood or a wall, if you wanted to put it in a wall, it actually will hook a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get this twist done. Now for the twist, all I'm using is a crescent wrench and some vice grips. I'll just grab it and twist, and keep on twisting until I get it as twisted as I want. And it's only going to twist in where it was heated, not going to twist anywhere else. So the more you twist it, the smaller your twist will be. Now I'm just going to get that kind of flattened down a little bit. Get my tongs. Now scrub and make sure that it gets all cleaned off so you don't have any buildup on it. Buildup makes it look a little bit nastier. So you got the point where it's going to go in the wall, your twist right here, and then I'll hot cut it about right here, and then I'll take it and I'll round it over. Like this one's rounded right around the corner, and then I'll actually flip it up and bend it. Got my chisel, got about the mark I want right there. Take that. And that's pretty much your hook right there. You just set the metal aside so you don't burn yourself. And then I'll round that out a little bit and then hook it up so that it'll almost match that. Alright, so I got that piece rounded over. I'll just take this, and I'll just be bending it. I didn't get it hot enough that time, but I'll go ahead and get it a little bit hotter, and we'll bend it a little bit more. Alright, so now I've got it hot enough. And I'll just take it and I'll arch it over. I'll actually open that back up a little bit. Get some of this cleaned off. And there you've got your actual hook part to hang whatever on. So the next part that we gotta do is bend this so we can actually hang it onto something. Alright, now for this part, I'm gonna be using the end of the railroad track, and all I'm doing is getting this piece bent down. And now, if you can tell, I'm hitting the very lower part, and that'll actually make it so that it'll slope down into the wall a little bit better. And there you have it, another one. I'll probably go ahead and chop that little end off so it doesn't stick so far in. Alright, well folks, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video on making these simple but decorative hooks. Here they are after they've been pulled out of the water. They're almost identical, but the one thing about being handcrafted is not maybe making everything identical. Each piece stands out. Anyway, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and visit me on Facebook at facebook.com/asliceofwood. And as always, make sure you check out my website at www.asliceofwoodworkshop.com. Thanks, guys.